Good day, everybody. It's Prince back again. Now I'm coming with the saddest news ever. But then I'm gonna start by saying I'm sorry that I've not been uploading some videos because of some situations that I'm still working on. But today I have this topic that I really had to make this video because I was in one group and there was this incident that happened. Somebody sent a video of a Nigerian guy being killed by a South African policeman, and we entered into some arguments because of the video. But then I said I have to say something. First and foremost, I'm going to talk to South Africans as a whole. Please, I'm a foreigner, especially I'm a Nigeria. First and foremost, I'm a South Africans. One, I'm a Nigeria. The reason being that maybe about South African guys, they don't know how to treat their women well. If truth be told, South African guys were our worst because first and foremost, as they will impregnate you probably like Mtwana. So imagine that the one taking care of those kids, then South African girls now. So I can support the law, but I can't support the killing. So it's a sad story to know which South African policeman is actually the killer here instead of being the protector. South African police, they are really corrupt, just as their president, Jacob Zuma. I mean, the country is having a lot of difficulties. You have not been able to sort out your own problems, and you are busy bringing more problems to yourself by killing foreigners that did nothing to you. The only thing that has to be done is like we need trained policemen, private investigators. Okay, all these fat policemen that just got there because their family members put them there to be police, who are not even trained, shouldn't be part of the police force. Police are to protect but not kill. The law only has to be enforced. Okay, just because you are in law, we pose it doesn't mean you have to kill other people. Okay, especially your women love them. That's the point. Okay, we're not saying what men support is wrong. Okay, but then everything wrong is dealt by the law, according to the law. We don't have any death penalty in South Africa, so why are you as a police going to kill a foreigner? So I'm just saying, and first and foremost, like this thing has to stop. Killing of these people has to stop. If there's anything that they are doing, if South Africans, you are not content with them, a country near you, you march to parliament. You send some letters proclaiming that you don't need them maybe in your country because they entered it legally. They were stamped in from the airport. So all these cook and bull stories of you creating and killing foreigners in your own country is pathetic. If you have problems with them dealing with drugs, that is the police case. It doesn't have nothing to do with you. If your women are being used by them, that's not your business. It's their women's business. They're the one going there because you are chasing them out with your raping, rapist and bad character with terrible clothing. That's the reason why your women are leaving you. Are you not ashamed of yourself that in your own country, your women are leaving you because you only impregnate them and dump them with children? Okay, your mothers cannot even train you to be husbands to your own women. Treat them well. Highest thing you know is to rape them, stab them, beat them up with stones, call them names. You don't have respect for your women. So if they choose to be with a foreigner, have shame on yourself and change your character. As a South African man, be a man, not a pathetic loser. Nobody wants to be with a loser. We all know most girls that will go with South African guys, they'll end up being baby mama with no father to take care of those kids. So then they dump your ass and stay with yourself like that and be ashamed of yourself and stop killing Nigerians for taking care of your damn shit. Yeah, they take care of them. What do you do for them? They leave your ass because you're a dumb ass yourself. All you know is to wear Ulster, karama up and down, and drop out from school. So then have shame for yourself and stay away from Nigeria. Stop killing them. They don't deserve your damn killings. Who are you to take somebody's life? Fix yourself so that women will appreciate you, South African men. Worst men, self. Respect yourself, stop creating people. And then the worst part is the police self, killing people up and down. Please be a policeman. Don't be a criminal. Don't be a murderer. And I'm urging all South African girls who are dating Nigerians to march to parliament. Do something for yourself. These people are your baby daddies. They take care of you and you know the truth. Some South African girls now, they drive cars. They have shops. Just because they're with foreigners. What can a South African guy do for a South African girl? You can't even pay lobola. Friends are paying it for them. What can you do? All you know is to just have sex, have kids, and give them AIDS. Unfortunately, they have moved on. Carry it like that and take your time and live your life and change your life. Go to school. Stop being dropouts and people stay by the corner and smoke ganja. Yeah, just take it like that and stop killing people. Policemen, do your work. Stop killing people. Stop making South Africa to be a terrorist country. Please, leave foreigners the hell alone. Since you allow them in, you let them be there, and then they should take, if they, anyhow they do it. If it's crime, you deal with it according to the law. You don't have the right to take anybody's life into your hands. I'll tell you that. The only thing I know, I'm just on point and change your life.